Good morning, people. Today we're going to talk about lanterns and light mapping. Right, so first off, press tab and you've got the lantern feature right there, which acts as a light emitter. But before we place it down, you could place it down now, but what we'll do first is we're going to go to parcel settings, and then you've got this little bake checkbox right here. So you want to click on that. And if you read the description, you can read this very important item, which is you have to wait about 30 seconds after you've finished editing your parcel. So every time you edit your parcel, you have to wait 30 seconds for a new light map to be baked. Alright? Sweet. So go down, press save, and go to for prime passage or your parcel. And click visit. Right, so now baking is on. So if your parcel has already been baked before, it might already have some shadows on it. If not, you can see that the textures, so for example, these cubes used to be a bit grayish and now they're very white. So your textures might look a tad different, but that's because of the light. But now our parcel has a light map, so you can see the shadows here and the shadows up there. And the rest is full of light because the sun is coming from that direction. And so it's got a 45-degree angle going this way. There we go. So what we're going to do now is add place a light or lantern. So tab, lantern, and I'm going to put it right here, and it's going to be purple or pinkish. Sweet, so I've put an item down. Now all I've got to do is wait. Got to wait about 30 seconds, and in 30 seconds the light map will be refreshed, and we'll have all purple lightning around here. So see you guys in 30 seconds. Alright, so here we go. We've got all purple light. All it took for this to load was a refresh. So you could wait 30 seconds. And I recommend waiting 30 seconds and then refreshing for the best output. So we've got all the little light here with purple. And yeah, so how about we put another one around here. So I'm going to go lantern again. And I'm going to put one down here. And let's put it to blue. Yep, right there. Sweet. So now we've got another light right here. We're just going to wait another 30 seconds. There you go. So we've got blue light right around here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bit of a gradient toward the blue. And then we've got all light right here. So the reason it's not that strong is because it's halfway in the ground. So if I were to lift it up a little bit, it would probably be a bit more bluish. But yeah, so this is how you put lanterns down and how you activate light mapping. You guys have fun.